Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. Just like I always say, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you 3 very powerful ingredients, step by step by step, yeah, to get rid of varicose vein. Now the thing is that in this particular treatment, you would have to give it a little time, scrub it out, and it's actually going to respond little by little. But knowing that these things are natural, there's no chemical, there's no preservatives, but it is very effective, but you have to give it time when it comes to varicose veins. Okay, so let me show you all of the ingredients in the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. To get rid of varicose veins, we're gonna be needing 3 powerful ingredients, and this is gonna be one set. Tomato is a great remedy that is either used for a face scrub or for a face drop. Yeah, so it contains a lot of nutrients that is very perfect for the skin, and it also helps the skin glow. It also helps in removing varicose veins. Mixing it up with other natural ingredients is going to scrub out the veins and actually straighten it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we are going to be creating this. Yeah, now for this particular one, you would have to create it because you need some particles to form a scrub. So I'll have to quickly create it. You do not actually need to blend it, okay? Just so you can have the particles that will help you to scrub, because you need to scrub to be able to, get rid of the varicose veins. Okay guys, so after creating, guys, this is how it looks like. And the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is coffee. Now coffee is a great scrub for the skin. It gets rid of lumpy ties, it gets rid of stretch marks, it gets rid of varicose veins. So using it alongside with tomato will gradually help to scrub out varicose veins, leaving your skin really youthful and smooth. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be getting a knife. My knife is actually becoming very not sharp. I don't know why. It was initially sharp. So I have to open this all up and pour the coffee into the tomato and then mix it up. Mix it really well. And this serves as a first treatment. Okay, so we're actually going to be keeping this aside to bring up the next treatment. And the next ingredient is sugar. Okay guys, so for this ingredient you can actually use your white sugar. This is it. Okay, now sugar contains a smaller granular particles that helps you so much to scrub out dead skin cells, and it also works beneath the skin to strengthen your veins, and it also helps to scrub out varicose veins. So using it gradually would help to remove all of those squeezed veins. Then the next ingredient we're going to be needing is apple cider vinegar. Now mixing apple cider vinegar in white sugar would do the job, guys. It will help so much in removing all age-related problems and skin problems. It will also help to smoothen out your skin and make your skin look really smooth. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be pouring in this apple cider vinegar, but remember that your apple cider vinegar has to be organic, raw and unfiltered, and it has to contain the mother in it. That's when it will work really fine. Okay, so we're going to be pouring in this into the sugar, and just like what I love doing, I love to take measurements of everything I do. So I'm actually going to be putting about 1.5 of the apple cider vinegar, and then give it a stir. Not too much of a stir, okay, so that the sugar particles will still be in this remedy to scrub out the skin. So this is the second treatment. Now let's go for the third one. Now here I have the third one, which is shea butter. Okay, so this actually helps so much in repairing the skin. Okay, if you're having any wound, any blemishes on the skin, if you cultivate the habit of using shea butter, just shea butter on your skin is going to begin to be repaired, and it's going to begin to look glowing and really beautiful. So we're not going to be mixing the shea butter with anything, we're just going to be using it that way. So I'm actually going to be taking just some of the shea butter, and let's go into the washroom. Let me show you how we're going to be applying this and using this. Okay, so this is the first ingredient, this is the second ingredient, and this is actually the third ingredient. So I'm actually going to be keeping it here, and let's go. Alright guys, so here is the first treatment, and what you do is that you used to experience varicose veins around this area. So what you do is to grab this treatment and then you rub it around that side just like this. Okay, rub the treatments around that side. Okay, so you do it with the second, rub it with the second leg. Okay, now after you scrub this particular one, then you have to be leaving it on your skin for like 15 minutes before you would rinse it all out. Okay, now let me show you the second one. Pause. Alright, so what you do is that you have to be rinsing that particular one off. Okay, and then you use the second one, which is the sugar and apple cider vinegar. Now before you use that, so this is it. Now this is it. Okay, so you have to mix it really well, and then you can use that to crush your varicose veins if you're having any veins around here. Okay, and then you take the sugar content and then you brush it. Now you have to really scrub really well, especially with the sugar mixture. Okay, I'm basically using all of it. So you scrub and mix. Okay, now after that is done, then you can rinse it all out. Water, just rinse it all out. Okay, so this is the third treatment, which is the shea butter. And what you do is to mix this all up, and then you apply it onto the place that you have the varicose veins. Okay, now any of those two treatments, you would have to be using shea butter after which you have applied and scrub. Okay, the next thing is going to be using shea butter. Now after that is done, then you're good to go, guys. You would have to repeat this every day to get a visible and a great result. Okay, and there you go. So that's it, guys. Just scrub with the first one, the second one, and the third one, which is just the shea butter. You can, use that every day. Okay, or you can use it when you use the first one to scrub. You rinse it, you use it, or you use the second one to scrub, you rinse it, you use shea butter. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah, that's it. So that's how you're gonna use these three powerful ingredients to achieve that smooth, varicose vein free leg. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I will see ya. Bye.